So we took this cloud philosophy like scalability. So the fundament of this solution is this Intel RRAM server with those NETINT accelerator cards. But instead of putting on one software application that is running everything, it's a micro cloud stack. So we built our own cloud software into that machine, and it's running a micro cloud stack, which means that every transcoding process is in its own container. And if it crashes, it's automatically restarted. So you don't have to worry about this. And it doesn't crash everything. So it's just one channel, right? Instead of taking down everything. And that's the beauty of the system. And if you build, if you stack multiple servers on top of each other, it becomes this micro cloud with extreme high availability. So if a machine dies, the software auto redistribute all the channels, all the processors across the other machines. And you also don't have to worry about anymore how to provision a channel. Like, I have so much capacity on this machine, I have to provision this channel on that machine. No, that's not necessary. We just provision channels and the system will figure it out and load balancing for you. So suddenly you have scale, automated scale with all the cloud benefits on an on-prem solution. You have the economy benefit of, it scales financially because those servers are relatively dirt cheap, especially with acceleration, because you can run something at 500 watts, what used to be like 5,000 watts on a location. You don't need a rack full of servers. You can just have three U with three machines for a high availability solution. And then operationally, so again, you have the technical scale of the cloud, financial scale, but also operationally, you just provision the channels, you choose whatever bitrate ladders you'd like to have, you start start the channels, and it's running. So you don't have to manage and monitor it on a daily basis. So it's got all the benefits of the cloud plus the benefits of the cost and the management extra that's in there. So yeah, we actually won some deals now. One is a very cool deal with a large Dutch European OTT provider. I can't name it
Well,
right
that's
now.
amazing.
It's not
Yeah,
public yet, but we won it from ATAM, from
amazing.
Elemental, from what's the other guys? Harmonic. So
Yeah,
those were competitors, and we won it because of this cloud stack and because of this green and efficient way of running this.
interesting. Interesting. Well, I would love to hear more because what you just described is often summarized loosely in what people talk about hybrid cloud. A lot of times you'll hear vendors even pitch, we have a hybrid cloud solution.